Hello, this is Harvey Jai from Ask Communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up your Mac Mini M1, M2, M3, M4 for the first time. You can see here how these are connected. I've connected two Thunderbolt adapter with HDMI, one power cable connected, and also mouse and keyboard with a receiver here. So let's go. After hitting power button here, the setup has begun. So first you have to set up the language English here or any other language you want. You have to decide your country. I'm at the moment in Spain, so I select Spain here. Everything is fine. Then you have to hit continue button. So here in accessibility, you have to hit not now. So I have to put the Wi-Fi connection here. I decide I will put my passwords and I will be back. After putting your password, hit continue. Hit continue. Here you can decide you want to use as a new machine or transfer data from Windows or not now. You don't want anything, not from old Mac. I hit as a new Mac, not now. I have to put my Apple ID and passwords. After that, I'll be back. Email address, password, then hit continue button. It will send a verification to your iPhone or any other Apple device you have to put there. After that, accept term and condition here. Hit agree. Now they are telling you to put a password. If you want, put a password. If you don't want, go and hit continue. Let's hit the continue button. I don't want any passwords. So in this case, they don't allow me without password. So I have to put a password. So after putting the password, hit continue button. Okay, after that, hit continue here. They explain you keyboard and mouse. Close this one. So your setup has done here. You can see beautiful Mac Mini M2 version here. All this information. Here is Safari. I hit this one. You can see here, lovely. So this is the way you can set up your Mac Mini M2, M3, M4 version for the first time, guys. And even iMac, you can do the same way. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.